If your chainsaw isn't running right, the first thing I always check is the air filter. In this video, I'll show you how to change the air filter on a Jonsered chainsaw. The reason I always check the air filter first is that's what filters sediment out from the air that goes into the engine to make sure that it's clean air going in. That air filter is pulling in all the dusty air with particles in it from the cutting, and so it does get clogged over time, so you want to make sure you replace it. Luckily, it's really easy to do. I'll show you how. The air filter is underneath this black cover. This is what a new one looks like. To get to it, there's 3 screws you need to remove, here, here, and here, and then another one that holds the screw in. I'm just using a T25 Torx driver. I'm going to take these screws out. This one, I like to pull back the handle a little bit to get access to it if your screwdriver's a little wider. And lift the cover off. Then you'll see there's one more T25 screw here. There's a metal cover you're going to take off and then pull out the old air filter. You can see the difference between the old one and the new one, how dirty this one is. But inside, everything's nice and clean, so the filter's doing its job. We're going to seat the new filter down in here. And then reinstall this metal cover. There's a little tab here that's going to drop into a little slot down in here. And that's going to keep the filter pressed into place. And then reinsert this screw and reinstall the cover. I'm going to go ahead and test it out, make sure it starts right up. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and tell me about it in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.